This video shows how to install the kids' potty training toilet seat. Begin by installing the bottom card strip. Place part 1 above and part 2 below. Position the card strip at the rear of the potty seat. Insert the screw and tighten it partially to allow for adjustment later. Place the potty seat onto the adult toilet seat, ensuring it's centered properly. Position the bottom guard of the potty seat firmly against the front edge of the adult toilet seat and lift upward. Then adjust the screw so the card strips grip the adult toilet seat edges properly. After adjustment, fully tighten the screw to lock the potty seat in place. Finally, check that the potty seat is securely attached. The kids' potty seat is now ready to use.